Welcome back, everyone. Merry Christmas. I haven't got a Christmas hat because I'm ill prepared. Today we're going to be trying to eat as many of these in 30 minutes. Yeah, let's get into it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
No strategy. We just eat them. Is it cheating taking them out for? Oh, there's so much sugar.
I wonder how many. Do you know how many mince pies you've got?
I've got 90. So, who knows? This can be difficult, isn't it? They're so good though.
This is your first mince pie of the year.
It is. I bought these on Wednesday and I was to start eating them, but ruined the challenge. I'm done. I'll keep them. If I eat 2 a minute, and a minute's always gone, is it cheating washing it? They're so dry. Well, not dry. They're just pastry, I don't know. Like, what's the best way to do this? I'll get like 60 of this.
That's correct. I wonder how many other people do.
Probably like, I don't know, fucking loads. I'm already tired now, I'm already sick of this now. I don't enjoy these anymore.
Is that a whole one?
Half. It's coming for 1 minute, I'm not happy with this.
You can definitely towards the end just munch them in.
I'm trying to munch for you. 41 mince pies in 10 minutes, what name? It's hard. I've got so many. Yeah. I'm not built for this. I'm not even on 1 a minute now. This is so hard. My jaw's getting tired.
Oh, I bet. They're so impatient with you. Ah.
This isn't helping. I'm probably like 12. There's 200 calories per mince pie.
200?
I already feel full.
Well, you've already done...
6, only 6.
That's 1,000 calories.
I've got so many. I've got so many. Like 10 minutes in, I'm not even 7 down. I've got so many. You have to give them out as gifts. 7 down. My life.
Do you know what we should do for kind of part 2 to this video? Me versus you. How many pigs in blankets we could eat?
Won't be able to do that this year.
No, there's no pigs in blankets this year.
We're 10 minutes down. I've got 7. It's harder than you think. Or maybe just for me.
Eating challenges always seems so difficult.
It's I don't know, it's not like eating crisps. There's not really anything like calories in it. It's just so dense. Oh, there's 2 little stars in it, how cute. Probably more for me than torture.
Christmas torture.
I don't want to swallow. That's what she said. I didn't realise there were 200 calories. Oh my god, I'm tired. I'm gonna have such a big nap after this. This is the face of a defeated man. I don't want to eat it. I'm not enjoying this anymore. I thought I'd get like, I'll get like a few boxes in and I'll tire out. Get a few mince pies in and I'll tire out. I'm gonna get PTSD from this. Anytime I see a mince pie, I'm gonna think of this. I've just had 1,600 calories. Now 8 down. 8, what do you mean? I want to go to sleep. Suitable for freezing. I could just freeze them for next year. I don't want to eat this. This doesn't look appealing to me anymore. Time's ticking. I'm just sitting here trying not to throw up after like 8. It's the water. It's the water as well. But I'm a slow eater. I don't like to just shovel my food in. I like to cherish it. I'll be lucky to get 20. I feel like I've been violated. I don't need this many. I could probably bought like 6 boxes. People will watch and be like, I eat 8 in 10 minutes. We're halfway. Well, just over halfway. I don't want to eat anymore. I've got to what, the 9th one? This. It's so much harder than I thought. I want everyone to do this as well. I want everyone to copy this. See how many you can do. 30 minutes. My advice at minute. That's just like on my mind. I'll be happy to get 15. I don't think I'll get 15. We're 9 down. You know what? I'll buy him 90 just so as a bit of buffer. Idiot. You like finish one, you're like, and there's just another one right waiting for you. It's not on. This. Oh. I preferred the pull-up challenge. Concentration. I'm trying my hardest not to throw up. I think we're gonna get 2 packs. Oh dear. I'm like sick of the taste now. The filling's so like, tangy. I'm not tangy. I don't know what. Really. See, the mince pies me up. I can't even speak.
I can smell them from over here.
If you think of it in the sense of calories, I've had, what, 2,000 calories?
So for me, that's my daily amount.
That's half my amount. I feel so full. You know, you feel so full. If you move, you feel like you're gonna throw up. See, if this is the 10,000 calorie challenge, I think I might be able to do that, to be fair.
That's another video to come.
Which if I've smashed out 2,000 calories in 20 minutes, wait like an hour. Thing is, I won't even be able to lie down after this. 10 minutes left. Thank God. People are going to be in the comments like, you cry, baby. You try it. You try it. See how hard it is. Oh. I'm making a mess. So we go back on the Chinese. I don't need this anymore. Oh well. 10 in 30 minutes. You're a loser now, so just accept it. I honestly feel like, because I want to get at least 2 packs down, but I actually feel like I will throw up. Because you think, 10 mince pies, it's not many, and then you think, 2,000 calories. Oh, okay, that's quite a lot. Or maybe even like, no, that is a lot. That is a lot of calories. In 20 minutes, that's a lot of calories. That's 1,000 calories in 10 minutes. Yeah, suck your mum. What you gotta do? What you gotta do? What you gotta do? It's like doing your final set in the gym. What you gotta do? I forget. Well, in part 1, I thought, it will get easier for some reason. I didn't realise it would like progressively get this harder. Well, not easier, but maybe my mistake was in drinking too much water. I'll be doing a mince pie giveaway. I won't actually. I don't ever want to see a mince pie after this ever again. 5 minutes to eat these two. Off camera I was like, if I eat 2 a minute, I'll be 60. I'm trying to mentally not give in to my stomach being like, stop. The food is piling in your esophagus. Stop. If I get 11, I will be happy. If I finish this one, I won't get 2 trays, I don't think. 3.5 minutes to go. This challenge has fully ruined me. I'll do it again next year to see if I can do it anymore. I don't know how I can prepare over the year. Oh, no, get out. Get out. Get out. No, do not get out. Where's a bit of paper? That's why this challenge has gone to because there was a wasp, okay? Not because I'm weak. That is a bit of entertainment. I think I might die. I think this will be my eulogy, this video. It's going to be played at my funeral. You know, I feel so sick. I can't, like... Oh, fathom how sick I feel. Fathom? Oh, I'm going crazy. I thought they were like 80 calories. If I managed to eat 30, that would be 6,000 calories. Less than 2 minutes. We've at least got 11 in the bag. And that's all that matters. Winner. Last one. Of this pack. We've still got all these to finish in a minute. We get done. I think the last minute might just be me sitting here. Sure. I could shove this in my mouth now and try and force it down. However, I know it's for the video. I want to get as many as you want, but I've got to think about my own well-being here. Okay, I've got to think about my safety. Oh, well, it's 30 seconds. Might as well just. This is like going to be such a bad idea. Wow. That is the sound of relief. So, we got... I can't remember how many we got. Let's count them up. We've got 1, 2, making more mess. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We didn't get that last one. We've got 11 in 30 minutes. Well, doesn't sound like a lot, does it? Not at all. 11 and a bite. That's 2,200 calories in 30 minutes, and I think that's quite impressive for me because I'm a very slow eater. As Gemma can back that up, I'm a very slow eater.
Yeah, he's a very slow eater.
So 2,200 calories in 30 minutes, I'll take that. If you put it in that context, success. But 11 mince pies. It's not exactly 90, but now I've got those to enjoy for the rest of the year because I can freeze them. I'm not going to have one for the rest of my life. That was horrible. But I think everyone should do this challenge. See if you can beat me. You comment down below. Gemma, Listen. I was in a roll there.
Sorry, I was
you just chat about
just
we'll do it at the end.
I was giving you something to add.
Comment below how many think you would be able to do. Or, do a video and then tag me in it. I'd really appreciate that, to see someone else suffer. Like, share, subscribe and all that. And we'll see you in the next video. I was going to throw this at the camera, but I won't get it all dirty.